Hi, class. First of all, congratulate yourself because you have made it to almost the end of public speaking. And that is, I'm sure, very exciting and very relieving for a lot of you. I am recording this video because we do not have a Zoom session this week during finals week, but I do want to go over one more time with you about the elective extra credit that is optional for you if you choose to get a couple more points at the end of the semester. Now, if you've been on our weekly Zoom class check-ins, you have heard this over and over again, so I'm sorry for the repeat information, but if you have not been able to check in with us, then this will be very helpful for you if you choose to do the extra credit. So originally, if we were in class, you had a reflection paper and a speech that were both due on finals night. Again, I don't give a paper final or a test final in this class, so your reflection paper and your speech were to be your final. I took out the speech part of it because of going remote and having so many changes with our semester. I didn't want to overwhelm you with doing so many speeches while you had so many abrupt changes in the semester. I'm offering back the reflection speech as an additional couple extra credit points for you if you are interested. So let me show you what I'm looking for. In our class site, which you will see in front of you, the same place where you've always gone to access our Go React, you go into content up here at the top. You would scroll down to Go React over here on the left, and then you should see at the very top, reflection speech, optional extra credit. You want to just click on that. Right now, I just created it, so you will not see anybody's assignment in here. You can be the first if you'd like, and you would just upload it like you do every other assignment. It is restricted to just me, so your peers will not see your reflection speech, but you can upload this if you would like for some extra credit points. The reflection speech should be an overview of your reflection paper. Now, the assignment overview for the reflection paper, which is due from everybody, is in our week 8 finals week overview. So you can access that there. So you can get a recap of what is required for your reflection paper. In your speech, you are going to do a 1 to 2 minute overview of that reflection paper, telling us how you feel about public speaking now that the class is over, the semester is over. Keep in mind this was a unique semester, and I understand that, but really try to analyze what were your thoughts at the beginning of the semester and how do you feel at the end now about public speaking? Have your opinions changed since the beginning of the semester? And what about this semester has influenced you to change your opinion about public speaking? Let me stress this again. This is optional to do the reflection speech. If you do not want to do another speech, if you do not want to record yourself again, you do not have to. This is only if you want additional extra points at the end of the semester to boost up your grade. If you have any questions, you can always email me. And congrats again on getting to the end of COM 101.